Friends, I'm going to try a tool that my buddy Jamie Griffin has let me borrow. First of all, what I've done here, I had a bunch of dying bushes here. I mean, you can see they're just dying. And so we decided we're going to dig all these up. We're going to plant fig trees over here next to the house. And I have these little stumps that are in the ground. Those are probably about 8-9 inches across. There's Hendrix with his frisbee. I'll throw it for you in a minute, buddy. Okay. Here, give it to me. Give it to me. He's pretty good at chasing a frisbee. So, my friend Jamie has let me borrow this tool, which he calls it the root slayer. It says root slayer on it there. Pretty wicked. Now, I grew up on a tree farm, a big, like 75-acre tree farm. Go to my brother Tim Glenn's YouTube channel, Tim Glenn, and you can see where I grew up. He's got the family farm. Tim has it now. And so you'll see where all we grew Christmas trees, but we also had cattle and horses and pigs and chickens, and it was a real farm. And so I've done a whole lot of work with wicked tools like that, but never one with serrated edges on it. It's pretty cool, I gotta say. And I've just never seen one like this. Made specifically for cutting roots. So it's very sharp here, or quite sharp, I would say. Yeah, pretty sharp on the end. So, you know, maybe other people have used this. This is just not an instrument that my dad had on the farm when we were growing up. We had to use mattocks and stuff to dig up stumps. And these are going to be stubborn, these little bush stumps. That one there is pretty big. That's probably a foot across, that one right there. So anyway, I'm going to demo how this works. And if it's good, maybe you want to buy one yourself if you have any problem with little stumps and things you got to get out of the ground. So here we go. Okay. See if this works. Oh my, those skills are on it. You gonna help me dig too, buddy? You gonna help me dig too? You're awesome. Must be a rock there, buddy. No give there at all. Easy, buddy. All right, went down that time. Now I weigh 280 pounds. Good grief. Hendrix is over here rolling in mess. Look at you, you nasty dog. Look how nasty you are. Good grief. Stop that. Hey, here. Chase his frisbee again. Oh, that went a long way. Awesome. He'll be back. Thanks for your help, buddy. You're awesome. Thanks for your help. Watch your nose. Nice. Okay. I know. Hendrix, are you the real root slayer? Buddy, watch out. I don't want you to hurt your nose. Go somewhere else. Go the other place. I see you've uncovered the root that's causing the problem. How about that? I think you have. If not, maybe this is the one. Oh, look at that. We got that one. Hendrix, I'm gonna do roots. What do you think? I think it's terrible. That one, good. What do you think? You think, Rick? Well, I think my buddy Jamie was wrong about these roots. I don't think we're gonna slay these. Hendrix is going to be so happy if this comes up out of the ground. I can tell you're pretty stoked, ain't you, puppy? Good grief. We've defeated it, puppy. Oh my goodness. Hendrix, you're so awesome. Look what you helped me do. Look what you helped me do, buddy. We've defeated the evil Stump. Oh my gosh. Are you a happy dog? Oh my goodness gracious. Good grief, that weighs a lot. Holy mercy. So that took some effort. But I will say, it did slay those roots. Hendrix is super stoked. That was fun, wasn't it? Was that fun, puppy? Oh, good grief. He has a new toy. And I have a crater here. I wear size 14 shoes so you can see how big that hole is there. Probably about 16, 18 inches, 20 inches across. But that worked. So now I gotta make that happen for that one, this one, this one, this one, and that one. Good gracious. I think I maybe have one more in me tonight. Hendrix, what about you? You gonna put in some overtime? Put in some overtime with the root slayer? So this video turned into something I wasn't expecting it to become. It's become a dog that digs in a hole video. Goldendoodle root slayer. Are you enjoying yourself? You having a good time? It is so much fun, isn't it? I know, buddy. You go, buddy. Okay, let's get a second hole. We got the second one. We got to do it. You know what to do. You've done it before. Come on, puppy. Help, Hendrix, help. Dig. Dig, buddy, dig. Dig. Come on. Help me get it out of the ground. The second one went better than the first one. What do you say, buddy? Dig. Look at all that. It's awesome, ain't it? Look at that. Are we detached? I think so. Oh. What do you think, Hendrix? What, baby? Yeah, I'll give him a bath. I'll give him a bath. What do you think, buddy? That's two of them. I'll wash his feet. I'm coming in after this one. I wanted to get two of them done. Yeah, it's going to come in about 5 minutes. What do you think? You got two big holes to play in now, don't you? Two awesome holes. I still got a lot of work to do. That second one, though, I'm starting to get the technique. If you dig and then just pry a little bit as you go. Oh, sorry, Hendrix. If you dig and pry a little as you go, then it comes out easier rather than going all the way around and then trying to go back and pry again. It's wicked, ain't it? It's bad. One more time. Well, I'm glad it didn't go off into the woods. Oh, good grief, there he is way out there. He loves chasing that rubber frisbee. This is the little foot washing tub that awaits Hendrix. Come on in, buddy. Come in the house. Come on. Hendrix, come on. Come here. You don't know what's going on, do you? Hey, Hendrix, come here and bite me. Come here, boy. Come and bite me.
Come and bite me.
That's what he wants to do. So funny, this is the third one I've done. First one and the second one there. And this one was like 3 times harder than any of the others. I just now broken it loose. And so the roots must have gone really down deep. Had to go all the way around it like 4 times. And finally it busted loose. Let me get that out of the hole. This is just so you got a frame of reference for how deep that one was. That's probably 14 inches, 13, 14 inches down I had to go to get that out of the ground. 3 stumps out of the ground. 3 root balls. Insane. Well, it's too bad that's not where I'm going to be planting the fig. Couple figs. I still got 3 more of these things to go. 4. This is the worst one. This is the one I'm dreading. Good night. That's a big one. Root slayer, you're an awesome tool. It takes some work. It takes some effort. It takes some muscle digging in and getting it done. But it does get the job done. I came back out nearly dark. So I've got 5 of them with the root slayer. And the evening is upon us. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like that sort of thing.